GE Microwave Oven JVM6175sk2ss. How to turn off filter reset light.
How old is your GE microwave?
2018.
How long has this been going on with your GE microwave? What have you tried so far?
Since last night. Only pushed button where light is after removing and replacing filter.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. All you should need to do is press and hold the filter reset button for up to 10 seconds on the control panel, and that should remove the replace filter light. If that doesn't work, unplug the microwave for 5 minutes, then plug it in and try again.
That worked. Thank you.
No problem, and I'm glad I could help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.